Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Walk English, where picking up English is both simple and enjoyable. I'm so glad you're here today.
Hey, good to see you all. I'm feeling great. Thanks for asking. How's everything going with you today?
Couldn't be better, honestly. I'm in a really good mood right now.
Oh, really? What's got you so cheerful?
Well, the weather's gorgeous. You know how much I love it when the sun's out. What about you? How are things?
Doing wonderfully. Thank you. I'm actually pretty excited right now.
Excited? What's the occasion?
It's what we're covering today. This is going to be something really significant.
Interesting. So, what's on the agenda?
Today's focus is on how to actually rewire your mind to think and communicate in English.
Whoa, that does sound major. Rewiring my mind?
Exactly. Think of it as a workout routine, but for your mental muscles.
A workout. Is this going to be complicated?
Not at all. It's actually straightforward and enjoyable once you get into it.
Straightforward and enjoyable? All right, I'm listening.
Perfect. But hold on just a second before we dive in.
Oh, right. Yeah, before we get started, folks, we've got a quick favor to ask.
If you're enjoying what we do here, go ahead and hit that like button for us.
Yeah, that thumbs up icon right there, just give it a quick tap.
And make sure to subscribe to Talk Walk English while you're at it.
Your subscription really matters to us. It's what allows us to keep creating content for you all.
Also, pass this along to people you know, your relatives, your buddies.
Spread the word to everyone.
All right, I'm all set. Let's talk about this brain training thing.
Okay, Jimmy, here we go. When you're speaking English, what's happening in your head?
What's happening?
Well, I'm thinking in my native tongue.
Right, your mother language.
Yeah, I come up with the word in that language, and then I mentally convert it.
You translate it internally.
Then I say the English version out loud. I know tons of learners do exactly this, but it's really sluggish.
It absolutely is. Super slow.
My mind is just, hold on, working overtime.
It's exhausting. And what we're aiming for, our ultimate, wonderful objective, is to actually think directly in English.
Think directly in English? That's wild.
Yep, no mental translation, just pure English.
That must be lightning fast.
It is, and it feels completely natural too.
Okay, I definitely want that. Where do we begin?
We begin tiny.
Tiny?
Super, super tiny.
Like with a single word?
A single word works, but a short sentence is actually better.
A sentence? Oh, that feels like a lot.
No, really small. Look, here's a pen in my hand.
Yep, you've got a pen.
In my mind, I'm not just thinking pen.
No?
No, I'm thinking this is my pen.
Ah, this is my pen.
Or my pen is blue.
Yes, perfect example.
Nice work, Jimmy.
Thanks. So I should be forming little sentences mentally.
Exactly. Throughout your entire day. It's simple. Like when morning comes and you first open your eyes.
Right. I wake up and do a big stretch. Time to face the day.
Yes, Jimmy. And what's going through your mind?
I am awake
Excellent. Or maybe I am hungry.
and I want coffee.
I go to the kitchen.
I open the door.
Yes. This is exactly it.
Wait, really? This is actually training my brain?
Absolutely. You're forming English sentences in your thoughts, like, I brush my teeth. The water is cold.
I see my face. I am very handsome.
Okay, I'm liking this approach.
This is technique number 1. Form thoughts in short sentences.
Whether I'm at my place, riding the bus,
Yes, on the bus. I see a window.
I see a red car. A man is walking. It is a sunny day.
Jimmy, you're catching on brilliantly.
Am I? I'm actually thinking in English.
How does it feel?
It feels unusual but positive.
You're linking English directly to your experiences, not to your original language.
Oh, yeah. English and life. No translation needed.
Precisely. This is the key secret.
Got it. Technique 1. Short sentences. I am talking to Bella.
I am talking to Jimmy.
Thank you. All right. What's technique number 2?
Technique number 2 is input.
Input? What does that mean?
Input means English coming in.
Ah, English entering through my ears.
Yes, through your ears and through your eyes too.
Listening.
Exactly, listening.
Like what we're doing right now with this podcast.
Yes, Jimmy, great connection. Exactly like this podcast.
We're quality input.
We're excellent input. When you absorb simple English,
Simple English, A1 level.
your mind picks up on the structures,
Structures.
the sentence patterns. I am, you are, he has.
The flow, the melody of English.
What a wonderful way to put it, the melody. So listening actually helps my mind process things.
It does. It provides your brain with nourishment. English nourishment.
I enjoy English nourishment. So what should I be listening to?
Well, talk walk English, naturally.
And basic songs?
Songs, music.
I'm a big music fan.
Me too. Look for straightforward English songs.
Songs that appeal to you. When the music resonates with you, listening becomes enjoyable instead of a chore.
Right. Enjoyment is crucial. Education should be pleasurable.
Absolutely. Or simple pop songs work great. Some pop tunes are incredibly repetitive.
Repetitive.
The lyrics repeat over and over.
Yeah, like, I love you.
Like a love song, baby. See, you already know it.
Okay, simple music, I'm into it. What else?
And viewing content.
Viewing, input for my eyes.
Right, watching videos. Films can work, though sometimes they move too quickly.
Yeah, way too fast. The dialogue just zooms by like fish.
Fish, fish, fish.
Yes, exactly.
I watch and get totally lost.
So find content that interests you. What are you into, Jimmy?
I enjoy cooking.
Perfect. Look up basic cooking videos in English.
Oh, brilliant idea. The chef says things like, I see the tomato, I see the salt.
And I cut the tomato. I add salt.
Then you're connecting the vocabulary with the actual action.
Wow, that's fantastic advice, Bella. I'm also really into sports, football especially.
Okay, so search for brief clips, maybe football news highlights.
He kicks the ball. It is a goal.
Exactly. Because cooking and football interest you,
It's not dull. It's engaging. It's captivating.
and your brain stays happy.
Right. A happy brain absorbs more information.
Okay, so input means listen to basic podcasts and music and watch simple videos about your interests.
Cooking, sports,
Perhaps,
travel?
yes, travel videos are wonderful. This is Paris. It is beautiful.
This approach is so much better. Learning is actually fun this way.
That's what input does. Listen and watch.
This nourishes my brain.
Yes, it strengthens your brain's English capabilities.
All right, technique 1, short sentences. Technique 2, input, listen and watch. Ready for technique 3?
I'm ready.
Technique 3 is output.
Output. Okay, so input is English coming in.
Output is English going out.
Yes, Jimmy, perfect understanding. English going out.
Like speaking.
But Bella,
I'm by myself.
I don't have anyone around, nobody to practice with.
You have yourself. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yes.
People are going to think I've lost it.
Do it privately, in your bedroom, in your vehicle, in the shower.
In the shower? All right.
It's an incredible training method.
But what should I say?
Look around wherever you are.
Okay, my bedroom.
Describe it out loud. Your ears need to hear you producing the sounds.
Okay, this is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big. I have a table. The table is brown. I see 2 chairs.
Excellent work, Jimmy. Keep it going.
A lamp. The lamp is on.
Amazing, Jimmy. This is wonderful.
I have a computer. My computer is black.
This feels weird but satisfying.
How's your brain feeling?
My brain is actively working, finding the vocabulary.
Exactly. And you're not translating anymore, right?
No, I see the bed, I say bed.
Yes, you're linking the object, the bed, with the word bed.
This is the training. This is how you construct English inside your brain.
And you can continue doing this.
Absolutely, Jimmy. You can also narrate your daily activities.
Right, at nighttime before sleeping. Today I was happy. I ate pasta for lunch.
I talked to Bella. Bella is very smart.
Aw, Jimmy, that's sweet of you.
Jimmy is very kind.
See, we're having a conversation.
Yes, this is output. Speaking.
So I don't actually need someone else.
A conversation partner is beneficial, very beneficial. But you don't need one to get started.
I can begin on my own, just me, by myself.
So technique 3, talk to yourself. Describe your surroundings.
Right. What am I doing now?
I am sitting. I am cooking. I cut the tomato. The tomato is red. I am happy.
This is spot on.
Wow, okay, that's a ton of valuable information.
Let's recap everything.
Yes, let's review. Technique 1,
Form thoughts in short sentences all day long. I am walking. I am reading.
yes. Technique 2,
Inputs. Listen to and watch things that interest me.
exactly. Simple English.
Podcasts like Talk Walk English.
Basic songs and straightforward videos. Videos about cooking or sports.
Right. And technique 3,
Output. Speak. Talk to myself.
describe your space. Describe your day.
Like, I am speaking English.
Yes, you are.
Bella, this is incredible, but is it quick? Will I learn rapidly? Will my brain transform overnight?
No, Jimmy, unfortunately not. Language acquisition is gradual, but that's perfectly fine.
Be patient. Okay, I'll work on being patient.
Yes, be gentle with your brain.
Hello, brain. I'm being gentle with you.
Exactly. Practice daily, 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Not 2 hours straight.
If you've got 2 hours available for studying, that's wonderful. But we realize most folks don't have that kind of time. So, practicing at least 10 or 15 minutes daily is really effective.
Ah, okay. Baby steps.
Baby steps every single day.
And what happens when I mess up?
Great question.
I say, I is happy. Oh, no, I am happy.
Mistakes are valuable. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes show you're learning. When you make an error, you just say, oh, okay, and you attempt it again.
Oh, okay. I'll be courageous about it.
Don't fear being incorrect.
And enjoy the process.
Have fun with it, yes, and it needs to be enjoyable. If it's not enjoyable, I'll quit.
I love watching cooking videos. That's fun for me.
And I love chatting with you, Jimmy. That's fun.
Same here, Bella. Wow, my brain feels like it's expanding.
Your English brain is developing.
That was a fantastic episode, Bella.
Thank you, Jimmy. You provided wonderful examples.
Thanks. I really hope this benefits everyone listening.
Me too. And if this helped you, all our listeners out there,
Oh yes, please, we've got one final request.
yes, please remember to subscribe to Talk Walk English.
Subscribe for more simple, enjoyable episodes.
And share this episode around. If you know someone learning English, send it their way.
Spread the enjoyment.
And we've got a question for you all.
Ooh, homework time.
Yes, please drop a comment below.
What's the question, Bella?
Tell us, what methods do you use to train your brain?
Great question.
Exactly. Do you listen to music? Do you talk to yourself? Do you watch cooking videos?
Yes, share your techniques in the comments.
We're eager to read them.
We really are. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
This was so much fun.
Catch you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.